this video, let's talk about why do you need to install Maserati wheel spacers with Hub-Centric.
Maserati Hub-Centric wheel spacers are necessary. Hub-Centric means the center hole in the middle of the spacer is the exact fit for the vehicle hub. Almost all OEM wheels are Hub-Centric, and this can create a firm and stable wheel connection. It is this contact point that helps the wheel bear the weight of the vehicle. So, you will eventually need Maserati wheel spacers with Hub-Centric to ensure safety. The main function of using Maserati wheel spacers is to provide additional clearance between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly. Maserati Hub-Centric wheel spacers are designed to help the wheel stay concentric position with hub assembly. It will ensure the wheel can be properly mounted and accurately balanced. Maserati Hub-Centric wheel spacers solve the problem that the wheel lock holes of bloxsport wheel spacers may cause wear and shake. And the shake at high speed will become more obvious due to the change of the wheel rotation speed. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. The multi-stage Hub-Centric design by BONOSS will effectively help the Maserati wheel spacers to match the wheel hub assembly, which is the majority of the Maserati wheel spacers on the market, designed to form a contact surface with the hub assembly, helping the wheels to bear the weight from the car. BONOSS forged FT cooling Maserati wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Maserati wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.